My name is Terrie Kohl, and I became a chef as I love to cook. I had friends that loved to eat and encouraged me to make it my living. And so I threw caution to the wind and went to culinary school, and that's where it all began. I'm gonna do lemon zest. I would say my culinary style is flavor. I was trained to use salt and pepper and to venture into the herbs and spices and to use them abundantly, because that ultimately is where we get our flavor, and our taste buds are entertained that way. I browned it and finished it in the oven.
Chef Terrie Kohl is a caterer and culinary educator in central Iowa. She has cooked with us many times in our studio kitchen and is always full of encouragement as she shares her culinary knowledge.
Just a little bit of moisture of the olive oil. I believe that my gift of passion for food was meant to be shared, and that's where I get my glory and my passion and my fulfillment is sharing it with others and empowering them and demystifying food.
Thank you, good job.
When I'm cooking, it makes me very happy. I may take a whisk and dance behind the island just because I love so much what I do. I get a little giddy, but yes. Yeah, when I'm cooking, it makes me very happy.
Let them eat cake.
Oh, you saved that one up.
When I work with Charity Nebby, I feel like she's my sister, that we just laugh and have the same wavelength, and it's a joy.
Nice tag team walking.
Woohoo!
Good job.